Boom, day 164. After meeting Batman on trail and talking about his organization for the veterans, I thought to myself, hey, you know what? It's not a surprise to me that out here you meet birds of a feather. That's right. Different people, same cause. That's right. We're going to dedicate day 164, of course, to the veterans and birds of a feather. Do they flock together? Let's see. Boom, day 164. Y'all know sometimes two is better than one. You know what? Has nothing to do with today's episode. Sometimes I just have to say stupid things like, da plane. How about it? Celebration of survival. Day 164. All right, it is day 164. Day 164. Let's see what the day has in store for Rental and Unicorn. Take your time, even though it's small, doesn't mean that it's not dangerous. Let's start off with the first one of the day. So, it rained last night. In the middle of the night, it wasn't supposed to. So we're concerned about water levels. Yeah, it's like these rock. Make sure you don't slip when you're coming out. Well, feet were getting dry. We just got up. Boom. Let's see what the rest of the morning has in store for Rental and Unicorn as we start to knock off these crossings. Have a good day, buddy. As you can see, Unicorn has found a shallow spot. Let's do it. If you would like. Perfect. Good eye. Yep, you got to face the current and go left. Wade your feet. Oh, it does get slippery. Yep, and that's it. All right, this looks like the last one of the day, according to Unicorn, of the morning. All right. Gonna make sure the record is on like I normally do. I don't know, would this help if I just hold on to this rope like this? You think so? This is the trick, you know, always face current. So I just sit down on this boulder, like here. Hold on. Oh God. All right. It gets a little bit deep over here. You just have to watch for slipping. Just don't fucking slip. It gets deep right here. It gets deep right here. All right. Again, the edges are dangerous. All right. 100 miles left.
100 miles left.
Woo! 100 miles left. Could you believe it? I was just talking to Unicorn. Sometimes I would just post pics and be like, I didn't remember the last 100 miles. It's 100 miles, 100 miles. 100 miles left.
100 miles left.
100 miles left, baby.
Woo.
Let's go. Peace. Boom, day 164. Right here. What do you think?
2,100 miles.
2,100?
Boom.
What do you think? Remember what Mayor Sobo said?
Celebrate every milestone.
Celebrate every milestone. That's what we got here.
That's right.
Would this be the last?
This is the last big milestone
the
as
last,
far as mileage goes.
It's the last big mile marker.
Yeah.
We're going to celebrate it. We're going to continue to go northbound.
Yes, we are.
Have great weather. We're going to continue hiking.
Boom.
Peace. That's happiest known time, baby. Look at that.
Beautiful.
We got a little bit of wind action up here. Good views, 62 degrees, low humidity. This is definitely happiest known time. Wow.
So beautiful.
It is so beautiful. Quick interview here. Boom, it is day 164. We're at this fire tower. Hawk wants me to climb up that. No, he joked. He said get up top, but there's no top. But behind me here, we've got a fellow here. What's your first name? What was your name, sir?
Good morning. My name is Bruce Leonard.
And what's up?
Honoring fallen Maine heroes.
Yep, I'm just going opposite of the sun because it was dark. Okay, thank you. So you're part of this summit project, and it's honoring fallen Maine heroes. So the folks that have served and the families that have served right here, and this fellow right here, was his name again?
Michael D. Jones.
All right, we'd honor him. So we're hashtagging Veterans Day every day. Thank you for your service. And you yourself served, sir?
Yes, I did.
You said the Navy?
Yeah, in the Naval Reserves.
Well, thank you very much for your service. We don't want to knock you off the rock here. And you're climbing. We had something in common. So you're out here hiking and you're honoring the vets and their families, and we're honoring the vets and their families. And you saw the American flag from that Bartlett fire engine here. We're carrying that. You know that we do honor the flag and we love the flag and our freedoms. We'd like to thank you very much for giving us a smile today. We normally don't give them out. We're running out, but you're going to get a happiest known time sticker. That's what we're hashtagging, brother. Fist bump right here. We don't hike fastest known time. I'm sorry, your first name was again?
Bruce.
Bruce. We hashtag happiest known time. On 3, we're gonna, you know what? On 3, we're gonna Veterans Day every day. We're gonna change it up today.
Let's do
okay,
that.
on 3, we're gonna Veterans Day every day in honor of Bruce. 1, 2, 3. Veterans Day every day. Thank you very
All
much,
right.
Bruce. All right, so we're making our way here through some of these planks, boards, and I'm just enjoying the weather right now. I think it is 68 degrees in the sun here, and the humidity has massively dropped. I know I'm done talking about it, but you know, it felt humid. It was real humid that day, and I wasn't prepared. I didn't drink enough, and I dehydrated. But I'm gonna just keep enjoying the fact that it's probably, the humidity is probably at like 10% right now. It's so low, and the weather, it just feels like a crisp spring day. Look at the weather forecast. We have some rain coming tomorrow, a little bit, 70% chance, and 4 days after that, it looks like sunshine, 70 degrees highs. I'm glad that you've tuned into the Rental and Unicorn Weather News Network. But yeah, so it's been a big deal. I think maybe all of this dramatic weather has passed. I don't know, but some of those boards move. Just be careful. And this is what the rest of the trail looks like here. Boom. It's a very, very beautiful path, as you can see. Debris to the right of the trail, debris to the left of the trail, lots of rocks, fresh rocks put in. I can smell the sand. matc.org, Matsy, volunteer run, kicking butt. I haven't seen maintenance and caring for trails since Roanoke out in Virginia. Certainly not through any of those AMC sections. But yeah, it's amazing what volunteers can do. I'll stress volunteers. It's a true organization with a true title and a true vision when you actually see it playing its course out here on trail. So I waited. I wanted to see what southern and also northern Maine had to offer. But from my little perspective, from a thru hiker's perspective, we appreciate it all. So thank you. This is when the community tries to figure out how to give it back, how to give back. And when there's good work, I always like to say kudos to all the volunteers out there, period, but kudos here on MATC, proving to me they don't mess around. MATC doesn't mess around, Unicorn.
MATC, woo!
They don't mess around. Taking care of hikers. They're taking care of hikers. We gotta take care of MATC. Let's do it. You know? Let's go. Having a great time in Maine. Well, the trail continues that way. There's a plane crash here. Unicorn, what? You said survivors or?
Yeah, I guess this crashed back in the 80s, a father-son. And the story in Gut Hooks anyway says that they survived. So you don't have to feel too guilty about enjoying it, is what one of the locals told a hiker who posted it.
We're gonna have lunch here.
Yeah.
And enjoy this survival story.
Yeah.
This celebration of survival.
There you go.
We'll call it. Happy snow time. Peace. Look at that. Just marveling over how beautiful this trail is. Unicorn tells me this is a relatively new trail. You can tell just by the way it's paved out. Wow, is it beautiful. The sun shining. Look at this. Man, you can hike this all day. Here it is to the right. Here it is a little bit to the left. Tricky. Just banged up my ankle on one of these stumps. They're out of the ground. Freshly cut. There's a lot of them, so you gotta still look down. Certainly don't want to get injured before Katahdin. But they're tricky. There's a lot of stumps in this section. But the ground is soft. Very forgiving. All right, I'm going to continue down this beautiful path. All this work being done here, we appreciate it. As we wind on around here, slinking on down this trail, we'll catch you on the flip. Peace. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go back to our room. 164. July 29. Miles.
About 14 and a half. But it was hard. I don't know why.
Yeah, it was pretty hard today.
I don't know why.
But, you know, you hear the raindrops coming.
It's raining a little bit. And it rained last night.
Birds of a feather. Let's talk about that. We're out there, we meet someone out there hiking for the vets. I'll put the organization's name up here. I keep forgetting the organization's name, but they're doing the Heroes 100 Mile Wilderness Tep in Katahdin, 10 of them for the 10th anniversary. And Batman's doing it. And he certainly is. Birds of a feather flock together. I wonder if he's a bird-er. Anyway, we just saw Batman on the way down. Almost a perfect interaction, except for the fact that he came back after 8 minutes and ran down the hill and said,
He goes, hey, are you Quadzilla?
he saw me walk away and I was hiking, I had my shorts on, and they're pretty short shorts.
I mean, the resemblance is there. We took it as a compliment for sure. For sure took it as a compliment.
Our physique is
very similar.
pretty similar, but besides that, there's nothing else. I mean, I can see how he would get us mixed up along with everyone else out there, but y'all know how it is.
Are you Quadzilla?
What comes around goes around. Duncan, and I forgot what number it was. Go check out that episode. It's somewhere back there. Yeah, check it out. Check it out, Batman. But Batman's a good guy.
Yeah, very good guy.
Veterans Day every day, doing a good cause, hiking up there.
Very strong hiker.
Heroes for the Heroes 100. Anyway, I'll put the organization up again here up on the screen. I just keep forgetting it. but I'll put it up. That was for the state of Maine. They were doing it. It's awesome. All those guys in Maine. Yeah, but the plane crash was pretty cool. I called it the celebration of survival because those two guys survived, right? And we're making our way through the 100-mile wilderness. You know, and we're probably gonna get some resupply in there somewhere. I think we're the same place where Shaw's drops it off, but we have some trail magic coming up. Very excited. I don't know what else I need to bring up besides that.
We had a lot of blueberries today.
Blueberries.
Lots of blueberries.
Yeah, and it was really pretty today.
It was a really beautiful day.
It was. We're winding things down. We're living happiest known time. We're not pushing ourselves too hard. I mean, it was getting ready to rain, so we set up camp a little bit early.
Just a little bit.
Cut the mileage a little bit shorter, just because. But, you know, we're living happiest known time, and we have a lot of footage today. There was a ton of footage. So, I really appreciate everyone watching, all the comments, all the love. Last thing is some more DMs on it. I think I might make an episode dedicated to it, or at least maybe put a bulletin board on the YouTube channel. But some folks out there want the stickers. The store is going to be up after we finish the hike, so I'll get the store set up and the stickers and all the merchandise up after the hike. But I think I actually might make a post on it, like a bulletin board post, and just put it as a sticky or just an episode, and that way I can just refer back to it and let people know, hey, check out this episode, all the information's there.
Yeah.
But either or, I'm looking around. I can't think of anything else we can speak about today. Pretty tired. Really appreciate the day and spending the time with Batman a little bit. You know, we're talking about living in the moment with Batman.
Yeah.
Seems to be a really, really good guy, dude.
Very good guy.
Yeah, so when you see this, dude, peace. Peace to you and your wife. I know you're waiting down there on the road, but we stopped here a little short. Really appreciate it. Everybody out there, thank you for rooting for us. We're rooting for you. You know, it's been great. Taking it day by day. I don't know, less than 5 days, 4 days. I don't know when we're getting out. Weather's turning around. It's looking good. Anything else, Unicorn? Otherwise, not happiest no time?
Yeah.
I think happiest no time.
Yeah.
We're going to get ready to edit. Thank you very much. I have to put all that stuff together for everyone today. I'm going to try to keep the episode scrunching as best as I can, so we're going to cut this a little bit short. Thank you so much for watching, following along. I'll catch you on the flip. Peace. 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 Where? Peace. Look at that. Unicorns munching on some blueberries.
There's blueberries up here.
Indeed. Look at that.
This way.
Wow.
So cool.
Very beautiful. Well,
Ooh, blueberries. Wow. Look at them all.
there's a lot.
Look at all of these blueberries. Wow, look at that big guy. Look how big one. That's organic.
Very organic. And keep rolling film. rolling it. Majestic. More blueberries. Let's see if I can get some. There's
3 right here. Nice big juicy cluster.
Oh wow.
There's just so many.
Wow. There's a lot. All right. I'm gonna continue to eat blueberries here and do 360s like that with my camera. Let's do it. Be back. Peace.